This is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite review. It may be called the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, but it shares little in common with the premium Tab S6. Instead, it is more like a 4-inch tablet in the Galaxy Tab lineup. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S6 Lite comes with an Pen Stylus. It's the cheapest Samsung tablet to include one, which is perfect for drawing, taking notes, and annotating. A 3.5mm headphone jack, which is not a standard feature on tablets, will also be appreciated by most. Besides stylus problems, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 is also slow to respond, with a short delay when you tap the screen or swipe. In addition, its chipset is not suitable for playing high-end games or for other demanding tasks. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is not affected by any of this. Its display is fairly good for a budget tablet, and its aspect ratio makes viewing content easier than on many iPads. For the Wi-Fi only model, the tablet costs £349 in the UK, or £399 if you also want LTE connectivity. In the UK, both of these prices are for models with 64GB memory, but in Australia, only 128GB slates are available at $649 for Wi-Fi only models, and at $799 for models that offer both Wi-Fi and LTE. With a glass front and metal back, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite feels solid and resistant to being dropped. Although the device is quite heavy due to the material choice, it weighs only 467 grams, at least twice as much as most smartphones. Its dimensions are 244.5 by 154.3 by 7 mm, making it an average size for a tablet of this size, and we were able to place it into large pockets on some clothing. There is a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top of the device, a 3.5mm headphone jack on the left edge, and a USB-C port on the bottom edge of the device. Many users of wired headphones will also appreciate the audio jack. It is available in Oxford Grey, Angora Blue, or Chiffon Rose colors, although not all colors are available in all regions. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite includes the Pen Stylus, which is useful for sketching, drawing, and taking notes. Its 10.4-inch LCD screen measures 2000 by 1200 pixels and is just 0.1 inches smaller than the non-Lite model of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, but the lack of an AMOLED panel is one of the drawbacks of it. In addition, the 5:3 aspect ratio is just a little bit off 16:9, it is 15:9, which is the aspect ratio most TV shows and streaming movies are broadcast in. While using the S Pen, however, it is possible to accidentally draw a line on the screen, or crop a screenshot incorrectly, or even try to navigate the phone using swipes and opening apps by resting your hand on the display. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is powered by the Exynos 9611 chipset, which has been seen in several mid-range and affordable devices like the Galaxy A51 and Galaxy A50s. Despite its low power, the Exynos 9611 is enough to run lower-end and well-optimized games smoothly, so we were able to complete Call of Duty mobile matches, but games that were too demanding would frequently crash the device. PUBG Mobile suffered the same fate just minutes into a match. Navigation can be rather slow, and the most obvious condition was the face recognition unlocking, which often did not work before we typed our password, and you must hold the tablet unnaturally close to your face for this to work. When it comes to the cameras, since the rear camera has only 8MP, you're unlikely to be able to take many shots with it. This is actually a good thing, as images did appear a little dim, although not appallingly so. An 8MP camera is located on the front, which is likely to be used more for video calls or selfies. The live focus mode enables you to edit a picture's background after it has been taken. Our Doodle, meanwhile, allows you to use the S Pen to draw over your face in real time. The rear and front cameras can also record 1080p video. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S6 Lite runs Android 10 with Samsung's One UI on top. In addition to those benefits, there are also some cool S Pen tricks that are fun to use, and all are easily accessible from the home screen via a small icon that appears when the stylus is in use or via the button on the stylus. As we have previously mentioned, the lack of palm detection detracts from the experience depending on your line of work. There is a 7,040 mAh battery inside the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, which is standard for a tablet of this size. It supports 15 watts fast charging, which is a bit slow even for a smartphone, but since the device's power pack is twice as big as those in most smartphones, it can take some time to fully charge.